Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this soft purple eye makeup tutorial featuring all Maxfactor products. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to start off with my brows. I'm going to be using the brow shaper from Maxfactor, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows and just fill in any sparse areas.
Yeah.
Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer in my skin color, and I'm just going to clean out my brows and just make it look defined and even. I'm going to go back in with the same concealer, and I'm going to be using it as my eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to lightly blend it into my skin using my fingers. Using the purple palette, I'm going to start off with a transition color, which is the soft lilac shade, and I'm just going to work that into my crease using my Real Techniques shadow brush. I had to go in a couple of times with this color because the shadows weren't as pigmented as I'd like. Next, I'm going to go in with the darker purple shade. It's a matte color. I'm just going to apply that to my outer crease, and I'm going to drag it down in a V shape. And for my eyelids, I'm going to go in with this purple shimmery color. I don't know what to call it, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelids, and I'm going to be using a lot because the colors again weren't as pigmented as I'd like them to be.
Excuse me, senor, it is not ole ole, no, see, it is only one ole, like this.
Next, I'm going to go in with the silver shadow, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone just to highlight it. And then I'm going to go back in and apply some more of the shadow to my eyelids. Using the Maxfactor Color Expert Waterproof Eyeliner, I'm going to be creating a thin line, and I'm going to start off in the center and work my way forward and then backwards. Tight lining using the rose gold liner from Ted Baker. Next, I'm going to go in with my shadow brush without any additional products, and I'm just going to apply eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. I applied my lashes off camera, and now I'm going in with the lighter shades in the palette, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten it up. Next, I'm going to be lining my lips, and I'm using Deep Brown from Sephora. I'll leave the names and links to everything I've used in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm also going to be going in with Brown Sugar from Maybelline, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. And then I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss from NYX. It's called Natural. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is a simple look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.